What's up guys, welcome back with me, Sneak Compare, and today I want to spot the difference between the real and fake pair of Nike KD17 Bink colorways. Without further ado, let's check it out. As you guys can see on the first sample, so you can see on the marking area here, the cage is slightly go down, and this one, the Bink here, is on the fake one is placed right in the middle. However, on the authentic one, the embroidery of the Bink slightly to the left isn't centered like the fake one. Another one also, as you guys can see, the cage on the upper material. So the cage on the upper material isn't straight with the plastic or the midsole. As you guys can see here, compared to the authentic one, you look at my pointer, it's very straight. Another one also, as you guys can see, this one, the cage isn't connect with the midsole here. It should be like the authentic one. It's very clear. You know, it's as good as you replicate this, but there are many flaws. And also, you can see the toolbox here is more bulkier on the fake one compared to the authentic one. Another one also still see this one is slightly to the right. The cage here, the cage placement slightly to the right. Another one also, as you guys can see, the midsole shape isn't straight like the authentic one. It's a little bit wavy. It's looking terrible. The molding process isn't done perfect. Moving to the inside part of the shoes, so the leather shape here is actually pointing straight down here. Look at my pointer. However, on the authentic one here is slightly a little bit rounded. It's pointing a little bit to the front. Another one also, as you can see, the pattern, the line pattern here on the material is a little bit wrong on the fake one compared to the authentic one here. They are pointing like this. Another one also, the cage here is very clear, slightly go down. The line here is almost touch the midsole. Look at on the authentic one, it has a little bit gap. Looking from above here, as you guys can see, the KD logo on the tongue is slightly smaller on the fake one compared to the authentic. The authentic is looking bigger. Moving to the back of the shoes, as you guys can see on the marking area, the gap on the stitches is narrow on the fake one compared to the authentic one here. The gap between both stitches, it's on the same size. Another one also, as you guys can see, on the authentic one, between the finger and the stitches, there is a gap. However, on the fake one, the gap is too narrow. It's almost no gap. Another one also, as you can see, the gap of between both stitches is looking narrow. Here also, look at how the authentic one is looking very rounded. And the last one is the outsole. As you guys can see, the monster print here is a little bit smaller compared to the authentic one. You can see the tip of the A here is almost touching the edge of the outsole. Look at on the fake one, the gap is too much. So alright guys, that is the explanation. I hope you get it. I'm really sorry, I've been off for a few months because I'm sick. So I will keep making video as much as possible. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any question and request, feel free to DM me on Instagram or on the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching. See you on the next video.